What if Cell was in the Tournament of Power? Since Cell was defeated in DBZ, what if he was brought back for the Tournament of Power? What would happen? He might need to replace someone in the team, and that person is Master Roshi. Maybe he might tell Goku he's too old to be fighting in tournaments in this story. Now for this story. Goku might need to head back to Hell after recruiting Frieza to look for Cell, and after a short exchange he would eventually agree to join the tournament, because it would allow him to pursue his desire to be more perfect. When Goku and Cell head back to the Null Realm, where the tournament is being held, Cell sees Android 17 and 18 are there and makes a sadistic joke about absorbing them again. Their word exchange is disrupted by the Grand Priest, who announces that the Tournament of Power is about to begin, so all combatants should be ready. As the tournament begins, Cell decides that he should go along with Frieza since they share the same disdain for Goku and the Z Fighters. Soon they meet a combatant called Katopestra, and Frieza jokes about his weird outfit. As Katopestra prepares to attack, Cell sneaks behind him and knocks him out. Frieza acknowledges Cell's use of underhanded tactics, and Cell responds that it's useless to waste time on puny insects like him. While Frieza is busy fighting Napapa and Roselle, Cell keeps back and analyzes Goku and Vegeta's fight against Begamo, Basil and Lavender. He notices that after Super Saiyan 2 they use a new type of form. He thinks this is not Super Saiyan 2, and also notices that he can no longer sense or feel their power, but he can tell that these forms are more powerful. After Goku and Vegeta unleash the makeshift final Kamehameha to eliminate the trio, Cell reveals himself to Goku and asks what's the form they are using, and why he can no longer sense their power. And Goku responds that this is Super Saiyan Blue, a form that can be accessed by a Saiyan once he masters God Ki, then they each separate. When Cell meets up with Frieza, he asks about the forms Goku and Vegeta use and about God Ki. Frieza tells him that it's just a form that monkeys use after trespassing into the realms of the gods. But he still assures Cell that he is still stronger, and since Cell has his DNA, he might be able to reach a form similar to his golden one. After a while, the battle begins between Goku and Jiren, and not so far, Cell is spectating and analyzing closely as he sees Goku cycle through transformations from Super Saiyan 1 to Super Saiyan God to then Super Saiyan Blue. Cell then realizes the distinct nature of God Ki as Goku goes from Super Saiyan 2 to Super Saiyan God. And after it seemed like Goku had been vaporized by the spirit bomb, Cell goes to a secluded place and tries absorbing God Ki, which proves to be difficult, and his best attempts only allow him to gain a fraction of what he saw Goku possess. He notices that his ki has a lot of pressure, and even though he can wield a small fraction of the ki, it had granted him a significant power boost. Beerus asks Whis what's up with Cell, and whether he had mastered God Ki yet, but Whis says that even though he's an android, his ability to replicate other people's fighting style and the way they use ki is truly exceptional, but it's still not enough, and he's only scratched the surface. And after meeting up with Frieza again, Frieza tells Cell his power is different, almost similar to Goku's Super Saiyan God, and Frieza jokes that he's still not as powerful as he is. Before Cell could respond, they see Kaba, and Frieza offers to fight him since he despises Saiyans. While Frieza overpowers Kaba, Kaba transforms into Super Saiyan 2. Cell is frozen in fear and remembers the time he faced Gohan and how he was defeated by the young Saiyan. Soon after, Frieza transforms into his golden form, and while Frieza dominates the young Saiyan Kaba, he goes on and gloats about how glorious his form is, and tells Cell that since he has his cells, he might be able to take this form too. And after that, Frieza knocks out Kaba. And this is where part 1 of the What If series ends. Don't worry, it will continue. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.